Hi, I'm Jana Stewart, owner of Modern Cleaning with my husband Tom Stewart. I'd like to introduce you to cleaning with dry steam vapor with tanks, one of the chemical-free tools in the Modern Cleaning chemical-free cleaning methodology. For this demonstration, we're using the Advanced Vapor Technologies Ladybug 2350 Techno with Tanks Disinfecting Technology. Both the triangular brush head and the large rectangular brush head have a large surface area and can be wrapped with a cloth to make removal of soils and biological contaminants more efficient. Modern Cleaning recommends the use of microfiber with antimicrobial properties, both to increase the amount of soil and contaminants that can be removed and to prevent growth of germs and bacteria within the cloth. To wrap the triangle head, which is commonly used with the hose handle for easy-to-reach surfaces, follow these steps. Using a 12 by 12 inch microfiber towel, fold the towel up about 2 to 3 inches, doubling the bottom part of the towel closest to you. Place the correct filler pad inside the triangular piece. Place the triangular piece on the towel with the bottom edge, the edge with the neck, against the seam of the towel that has been folded up. Starting with the back left corner of the towel, bring the back portion of the towel towards the tip of the triangular head and capture the towel under the left clip. On the right side, again bring the back portion of the towel towards the tip of the triangular head and capture the towel under the right clip. Grab the front left corner of the towel and pull it across the top of the triangular head to the right clip, giving the corners a quick twist with your wrist as you do so. Tuck the extra material in at the front tip of the triangular piece. Bring the top right corner of the towel across the triangular piece and, giving the corner a quick twist of your wrist, capture it under the left clip. The goal is to create a wrapping on the head so the steam does not escape out the sides or the front of the towel. You want all of the steam to flow down through the bottom of the head. To wrap the large rectangular head, which is commonly used with the extension handles on floors or high areas such as tall windows, follow these steps. Using a 16-inch by 16-inch microfiber towel, fold the edge of the towel closest to you up about 2 to 3 inches, doubling the edge of the towel closest to you. Place the correct filler pad inside the floor piece and place the rectangular floor piece on the towel with the neck closest to you, with the bottom edge of the floor piece flush against or parallel with the seam of the towel. Bring the bottom left corner of the towel up and capture it under the left clip. Bring the bottom right corner of the towel up and capture it under the right clip. Capture the left edge of the towel under the left clip. Then do the same with the right clip. Take the upper left corner of the towel and bring it down across the left side of the floor piece, giving it a quick twist as you capture it under the left clip. You may have to hold the other edges of the towel in place as you do this. Take the upper right corner of the towel and bring it down across the right side of the floor piece, and give it a quick twist as you capture it under the right clip. The goal is to create a wrapping on the head so the steam does not escape out the sides or the front of the towel. You want all of the steam to flow down through the bottom of the head. Remember, the removal tool is just as important as the cleaning and sanitizing solution. Modern Cleaning recommends the use of ultra microfiber, especially a brand that includes an antimicrobial agent integrated into the cloth, such as Perfect Clean. And always remember to change cloths as each becomes too dirty or saturated. Hi, I'm Janice Stewart, owner of Modern Cleaning with my husband Tom Stewart. I'd like to introduce you to cleaning with a high-quality multi-filtration vacuum, one of the chemical-free